So hi guys, welcome to Crazy Burger. So two new games have been announced for the A500 Mini, which is coming out soon. They're going to be revealed in this video next. Okay guys, here we have it. The two new games are Dragon's Breath and Titus the Fox. And this has just been revealed today. That it's going to be released on the A500 Mini, which I think is the end of March that's going to get released. Hopefully we don't see any more delays. So Dragon's Breath I've got here is by Palace Software, which is a kind of fantasy action strategy game. Which sounds kind of interesting. Definitely never played this one. But they're saying here it's had a press review score of 85 to 90%, but not sure how many people have actually played it. It says it's described as a hidden gem. I suppose we'll find out soon enough. So the next game is Titus the Fox, which is by Titus Software, which is a kind of side-scrolling platform game, which I've definitely played at some point on a few different formats. Can't remember how good it is, to be honest, but we'll find out shortly. I'm going to play both games and give you my thoughts at the end. So that's another two games. Can't remember how many games we're up to now, but I don't think there's too many more left to be announced. If you look at the spaces left, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 games still to be filled, which is quite cool. Hopefully we get some more big hitters. I think we'd obviously love to see Torricane in there, maybe even like Sensible Soccer. I guess that surely had to be a must for me. I'm sure there's plenty more you could probably fill easy peasy, but the good thing is you can actually add your own games. Just before we move on to the actual gameplay, they actually released last week some game packaging that's gone on sale in the Amazon stores. You see, so you can purchase an extra mouse and then a sort of black gamepad, which I guess that's quite cool, but I'm not really sure why. Maybe if just in case your mouse breaks or your joypad gamepad sort of breaks, I don't really know. But yeah, they're there and now available to sort of purchase in the stores or pre-order right now. So without further ado guys, let's get into the gameplay and have a look at the games. Okay guys, that's the two games. Apologies about the sound on the Dragon's Breath. It was really just the recording device rather than what it was actually like. It was actually fine when I was playing it. But they're interesting games. I think Dragon's Breath was actually quite popular out there. It's definitely a slow burner, not a game you can just pick up in a couple of minutes to play. It's quite in-depth by the looks of it, and you could really lose a lot of time in it. So looking forward to sort of looking at that. It's certainly very different. It's got really stylish sort of music and sound. Titus the Fox is kind of okay. I think it feels a little bit old hat compared to sort of more modern platformers. It's a bit tricky to sort of get your head round, but it's actually not too bad. There's still a few games to actually be announced. Let's hope we kind of see some of the bigger hitters, but I'm not totally convinced. I think the unannounced games will probably follow along the same sort of lines as we've seen already. But so add some comments what you think of the games that we've just added and what you'd still like to see. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll catch you again next time. Bye for now.